Hello, this is Devin. Welcome to just working with Automod. We're going to do Lab 4, which is working with Automod syntax. And essentially what this chapter is, it is taking us through a process of creating a model, creating the logic for loads, and then running it. So I'm going to just show you everything we'll be doing right here. So here's a summary. So we'll create the model, create the process system, write the model logic, define necessary entities, create new loads, define the length of the simulation, then run the model. And so all of our exercises are here. The one I'm going to take you through now is going to be exercise 4.1. So we're going to create a system with loads that have inter-arrival time exponentially distributed at 10 minutes, and then they're going to be sorted at a triangular distribution with a min of 7 minutes, a mode of 8 minutes 22 seconds, and a max of 10 minutes 22 seconds. And then it's going to be run for 8 hours, and we're going to show you the maximum number of loads in the sorting operation at any one time. So just showing you how you do it. I've kind of learned that with Automod, you can go to the source file and create one and edit, and any code you write here overwrites everything else, basically. So what I've done, this code is from example 41, but I've changed this line here to have an exponential of 10 minutes and the triangular here. And I've learned that you can't really do 8 minutes 22 seconds, so I have to convert the 8 minutes to seconds by multiplying by 60 and adding that 22 at the end, and that will be in seconds. And so just going over the other way to do it, you can go to loads, create a load process here, and see we have triangular 422 seconds, and the other one is exponential, but I'll edit it to show you even more. Like I said, we have the minimum, peak, and maximum. So there's that. And then to define the the runtime of the simulation, you're going to go to run control, and you can create a run control here, so we have a length of 8 hours. But now I'm going to actually just go and run the model for you guys. So if I hit control and continue, you can see this process has started, and the loads are entering and leaving the system here. But I'm going to go and turn off the animate, even though there isn't one. This will greatly speed up the process and bring us right to the end, actually. So we're 100% complete, and now I'm going to go to View and Reports, and here is our model here. I'm going to go to Processes, Display, and so here's our p-sort. So as you can see right here, the maximum number of loads in the sort operation at any one time is going to be 3, and there is a total of 55 loads that have entered and left the system in that entered and left the sorting process, I should say, during that 8 hours. And again, all of these exercises have been done and will be included in the final submission, along with their model files. So that concludes this Lab 4 Automod video, and thank you for watching.